My bachelor project assembly is the result of an exploratory work of a historical, so-called self-supporting construction technique and its applicability in furniture design and production. This technique is old and still well used. We often see it in the form of arches and bridges, but rarely in the form of furniture. The shelf assembly is exclusively made out of Swedish wood. It's designed to be self-supporting and the construction is locked in place with eccentric rods. The shelf comes as a tool-free kit and can be assembled and disassembled without screws, glue or other fittings. This highlights that these types of fasteners aren't necessary in quality furniture. By eliminating these additional materials, we can minimize the number of manufacturers and our dependence on imported goods, which therefore reduces transportation costs and our climate impact.